Leetcode daily challenge. Question 1356. Sort integers by number of 1 bit. This question is asking us to sort this array in two conditions. The first one is we're gonna sort this array with the number of digit ones. The second condition is the value of this number itself. So how do we do this? Let's take this for example. If we count the number of digit ones in each number, for number 0, there are 0 digit ones. For number 1, there are 1 digit ones. For number 2, there are 2 digit ones. For number 3, there are 2 digit ones. For number 4, there are 1 digit ones. For number 5, there are 2 digit ones. 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 1. After we go through all the numbers in this given array in this process, we can see this is gonna be a group, a second group, a third group, and this one. All we have to do, we just combine all these arrays together. Then that is the final result we are looking for, which will be the result in ascending order. But anyway, that's the solution we're gonna solve this problem.